sọ pé torí pé mi ò sọ̀rọ̀. Don't think that I'm a fool. I'm not a fool. I am not a fool. When I saw the interview, then number two, Biola, he came to you. You said he wanted to go to Gidi, but he wanted to go here, he wanted to go there, but he gave you the honor. Do you listen to yourself? That's why I said you are insensitive. You said he gave you the honor to come to your own first. A pedophile and serial rapist gave you the honor. So you allowed him on your platform. That same platform, at least, if you even say I'm inconsequential, a lot of people have helped to promote that platform. I know I have. But even if you want to say my own support is irrelevant, I have heard. But you gave him that, you say he honored you. You gave him that platform. You didn't think for once, Biola, you are educated. You are not just educated. You didn't just go to secondary school. You are very educated and enlightened. You didn't think for once that if you gave him that platform and after posting what you posted, you don't think it will embolden him to keep going. You didn't think. You would tell me that. Number three, Biola, because you felt he was going to apologize, he didn't apologize. He honored you, he came. You now posted it. When you posted it, I want to ask you a question. Just one question. To what end? Even though you knew, oh, this guy did not apologize. This guy, committed a crime. He didn't steal a phone. He didn't steal a car. He didn't defraud somebody of 200 million. No. He sexually assaulted a child. Several children, a lot of people came out. So let's just use only me. You didn't think that, but you were thinking of the end game. How to draw traffic, how to make money, how to stir up controversy. Number four, Biola, you said because he's your senior colleague, Shebi, that is why he has been continuously raping children and women. Because in your industry, because in the association of is my senior colleague, is my friend, that is what made sure that every time he does it to someone, they'll make an excuse for him. Every time that Baba Ijesha sexually assaults someone, either the parent will make an excuse, either his colleague will make an excuse, either his supporter, they will make an excuse. That's the same thing that you did. So you are telling me that if your senior colleague say that, Abiola, go and put your hand in fire, what for where? No, you won't. But you did it because cooking shomwe. Also, pay one not be motie, olo motie. Before you poke the eye of a bird, you poke the eye of a bird. Why don't you poke the eye of your child and see if it will pain first? How would you feel? Number five, you said you have also been a victim of rape. Would you, Biola, be confident if the person